Genius throttle valves offer 3 different types of flappers. The combination type reduces the space required for flapper operation by 50% compared to the round type, significantly minimizing valve installation space within equipment. This product can be manufactured with internal diameters ranging from 100 to 300 millimeters. Customers have the option to select either integrated or separate types based on their requirements. In the integrated type, the valve and controller are consolidated, requiring minimal installation space and offering the advantage of space reduction within equipment. Conversely, the separate type allows users to directly input and physically adjust the desired settings via the controller from outside, facilitating real-time data monitoring through the display.